Hey everybody, Christopher Nejman back for another video. Okay, you getting ready? I'm gonna give it. I already ate, so I'm not on a lack of sugar here, but I am excited. You want to see what came in today? I got a big box today. Look what I got today. It's from the Hoop Master by Midwest Products. Look at the big box they sent me. Oh my God. So what could be in it? You want to find out what's in this? Stay with me. I'll be right back. Don't go away. Okay. Shall we get ready to see what's in here? I'm excited again. I'm so excited, so excited. You know, look. Made in the USA. Yes. Their products are made in the USA. Isn't that wonderful? I mean, how many people are always going to Amazon, Amazon, Amazon? No one looks to see where the products are made. They get a product, they say how cheap it is, it breaks, and they buy something more. You people are making Amazon rich and you're being poor. You are being stupid poor because you keep buying products that don't last you. You've got to find products that will last you with your hard-earned money made in the USA. Right? Alright, let's go here. Oh my gosh, I have always supported Made in USA. And when I found out this company was Made in USA, I was blown away. Blown away, because like people say, it's hard to find Made in USA products today. And the sad thing of it is it's true. It's true. So when a company like this, a small business like this is manufacturing, and I understand this company's been in business for almost 30 years, if I'm not mistaken, it's just amazing, you know? Whereas other American companies are taking their manufacturing overseas. Let me give you an example. Louis Vuitton, the famous bag maker, comes to America and opens up like 2 or 3 factories employing Americans to make select models of their bags. Where you have these other American companies like Brahmin, Coach, Dooney and Burke, they all went to China and Vietnam and everywhere else. Why? Why? How is a French company can come to America and create products and hire American workers, but these other businesses go overseas? I'll tell you why. You ever watch HSN and QVC? When Dooney bags are on, they're always on sale. Because the company is telling their buyers, our bags are not worth the full price. That's why we're always reducing them and putting them on sale on these home shopping networks. Whereas Louis Vuitton is saying, our products are worth the full price that we charge. And that is why we can hire American workers. You see the difference? Think about that. Think about what I just said. Rewind this video and listen to me again. Are you upholding the value of your quality that you claim you have? And being able to give an American worker a living wage, give them a job to support their family? Why has a foreign company come to America and can employ an American worker, but an American company can't seem to do that? And then we have people like this company here making their products for almost 30 years in the United States and making good quality products. All right. All right. I don't want to preach. You know, I can preach. I can preach. All right, let's open it. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. By the way, I got a phone call after the last video from the president of this company. What a sweetheart she is. We talked for, oh my God, over 30 minutes on the phone. She was so tickled that I was talking about her Made in USA products. And she too is telling me that China keeps trying to knock off her product. China's trying to knock off everybody. If you want to find knockoff products, you go to Amazon. Yeah, because my other friend who owns a factory in the United States, China knocked off her product and was selling it online. And yeah, that's another long story. I'll tell you later. Okay, this is great. Let's go on here. I gotta stay on topic here. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh, this is for, okay, this is, all right, this one here, this fits onto the arm of my 6 needle embroidery machine to give it extra support here. Isn't that great? Okay, so here is the attachment. Let me take it off to show you how it goes on. Okay, so here's the center, just like it normally is. This is the attachment. So you want to unscrew this here. There's a little pin here. This pin will snap into a hole that's back under there already. So you just put this on. Careful when you put it on. Push this pin down. There we go. And then this slides over the top. Do you hear that little snap? And then this you can adjust for the length here, the depth that is. And you tighten it down. And before I tighten it down, this would be my hoop. So then you put the hoop in here, like this. Okay. And then when you do your trace, and make sure this little lip here on the frame is sticking out. This is very important. It goes on the outside here. So let me just do a trace here. I'm just going to do a trace. So this is out far enough for me. You see the extra support it gives the machine, or it gives your hoop? It gives extra support so you don't have to worry about the frame flopping around. Now the way I understand it is, these home version of the commercial machines, this 10 needle and the 6 needle, these brackets here are not as strong as the real industrial ones. So if you're putting anything heavy in these hoops, because these hoops are heavy already, if you put anything heavy, you hoop anything heavy, it's going to bend it down and give you issues. So Hoopmaster came up with this support called the Tubular Hoop Support. Again, made in America, and they manufacture it so it slips in this on your throat here in the center, so it gives you that support so the hoop will not bow or anything like that. That's a really great idea, because she asked me if I have a table, an extension table for my machine, and I saw they were made, but they never did. I never did get one. So she suggested this, and she sent this to me. What a fabulous idea. Now I don't need a really big table here. I just need this, and it gives me the support I need. That's fabulous. Made in America. They got some smart people at that company. Yes, smart people. What's next? Okay. Oh, and here's a table. This is the table that... Oh, yeah. Okay, that's what that is. So this is the table that you set up these brackets on and stuff. And what it does is allows you to put... Let me get this off here. Allows you to put the frame... Allows you to put the frame on and holds it in place, so when you put the top frame, the second part, it stays right together. This is okay. So I'm so excited, and I had to slow myself down because I was getting way ahead of myself. So I went to their website and watched their video again. This is their hooping system. This is their station to hoop. So these two pieces that came, I checked this out before I came back online here. So what I'm going to do for me, now this is the bottom piece I'm using, because this is what you want to use. This part that's cut out here is where this hoop sits in here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hoop it right on the on these little two screws here. I'm going to put around the edge here. I'm sorry, they go on the screws inside. There we go. So that one, and then this one, I'm screwing them down. This is solid, man. This whole, I'm telling you guys, this product is so solid and so well made. It'll blow your mind. Okay, so now that's on there. Oh, I can tighten a little more. It'll just blow your mind with how well this product, all this Hoopmaster product is made so well. Very well. Alright. Now I only have one size hoop, so I don't have to worry about moving this around, but if I did have multiple size hoops, I can adjust this. Now, this part here, it's got these brackets on here. I'm going to take it from the top and slide it down. Then I'm going to take this hoop and lay this hoop in here, and I'm going to bring this bracket down until it lays in there. Once it lays in there, I'm going to go underneath, and there's screws underneath that you tighten that bracket. It's all nice and tight now. And then this just comes right out. Oh, I think I tightened it too much. Let me loosen it up. I may have tightened it too much. It needs a little play there. Not too much of a play, but enough of a play. There we go. Let's see. This moves. Okay, that moves. That makes sense now. So you would do that, lift this up. Okay, I think this actually goes, I think I got this upside down, guys. I think I got it upside down. I really do believe I have this upside down. Okay, I decided to keep it down here like this because I like the way I can know that when I'm hooping this, that this is the front. So I got to make sure that I put this lip here like this to know that that's the front. So I'll drop this in here like this, and then this moves back, and then it locks in like that. There we go. I like that better. Now the way I have my design set up, you know, on some of my designs, they sew when you slip the hoop in like this, and then my other one back there. So this will work just perfect for what I want. Alright, so now that I've got my flat hoop in there and I lay this in here, then I would put my stabilizer in there, lay this on here, and again, just take the hoop, and I would lay it over here, and look at, do you see how that grabbed it so perfect? Then I'll come up here, I'll release this, pull it out, and look how perfect that hooped. You see that? No fuss, no muss. It hooped it. It knows how to line up. It's got like built-in GPS. It knows how to line up. So that's how that works. Isn't that great? I think this is like so cool. And then on some of my other, from my fabric, when I do the other hoop, I will just turn this around because I do my hooping. When I hoop this, on the way it's set up in my machine, it hoops, it prints out backwards when I'm putting it in because I don't have all. This is the back of the machine right here. This would be the back of the machine. So I have very little fabric that hangs over here. So I have my logo and everything, which you guys saw earlier. Let me show you. So when it embroiders, you see I have it embroidering this way. So I have very little fabric here, which makes it easier. So this will be the back of the hoop. And again, this is the front of the hoop because it's got that lip there. Let me just show you again. So here's that lip. And here's the back of the fabric. So when I'm hooping, I usually have a fold crease here. And I'll lay that right in here, and I have a fold, center fold. You saw that in my last video. And then I open this up like this. Now this has already been embroidered, and this is already double layered and everything. And then you take this, and this would be in a hoop. This would be in the tubular hoop. This would be the tubular hoop, but you can also do it with a flat hoop. And you just go over there, set it in. You'll have the stabilizer in the back of it. And let's do that again. I didn't do that right. Hold on. I didn't do that right. Let's do it again. Let's put it in here. Release that. Lock it in place. But the tubular hoop works better with fabric. And the flat hoop is great for leather. Alright, now, here we go. This way. Oh, that's backwards, see? I had it backwards. There we go. There we go. And then I will just release it right here. Release this to take it out, and there it is. And I know that that's the front. And of course you'll have your stabilizer on here, and it'll be much more stronger. But yeah, you could use the flat hoop on this one too. There's no question you can use the flat hoop. Although I do find on fabric that the tubular hoop actually does better. Let me show you. Let's put this. Take this top off. Let's put this in here. Lock it in there. Now this is a double layer. Normally you have a single layer, so we'll just see how that works. And here is the, wow, that's even strong. See how strong that was? That's really strong. That's really strong. And it came right out. And then, you know, there it is. There it is for hooping, right? Oh, fabulous. So, yeah. And guys, what do you see here? What do you see down here? Made in USA. I'm telling you. You want this, you know, get me excited. Show me a Made in USA product. I love it. I love it. You know, I love looking at Made in USA. Also, I want to shout out to a company, well, a website service that's been around for a while. It's called Makers Row. And on Makers Row, you can go there to find a manufacturing company in America that will, for what the products you want made, if you're going to start your own company or whatever, and you want products made in America. So you can go to Makers Row and sign up there to find a manufacturer to manufacture your products in America, so you don't have to go to China. All right? All right, so that's my little quick review. And this was all live. This was all live. You watched me as I unboxed it to see how it was and everything. And I'll be playing with this now and doing more, and I'm just very, very happy. I want to thank the people at the Hoopmaster Company for supporting me on this and talking to me, and you know, and for making this product, and for hiring and keeping American people employed. I want to thank them for that, because when I make my products, it's hard for me to find accessories and hardware and everything to make my handbags, and anything that I can use to buy that will benefit my production of my bags in my factory that is made in America is a big plus for me, because you know, I list my products as cut and sewn in the USA. I can't really say completely made in USA, because my leather sometimes comes from Italy or other countries. The hardware is not made in USA. I have to order that overseas. But I'm actually cutting and sewing my bags in my factory here in the United States. So I'm cutting and sewing in the USA. And when I find companies that are making products, I am excited, because if I can use them in my factory, that's even more progress for the Made in USA logo and everything. All right, guys, take care, enjoy it, and give these people a call. Tell them I sent you. I think you're going to enjoy it. I'll put the link for my first video when I received the first hoop below this video here on YouTube. So I hope you're as excited as I am. And if you have this product already and you were one of the people that suggested this to me, thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you again to the people who make Hoopmaster up there. Thank you to the president. She's wonderful. She was so sweet to talk to. We really hit it off, and I hope I can do her justice and show her product off more in the future here with my work. And then I'll probably invest in some more size hoops later. But right now, this is the only size hoop I need for what I'm doing. So thanks again. Take care, everybody. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.